Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a very simple DIY hair growth spray that anybody can prepare at home. The ingredients is so easy to find at any grocery store or market, and it is super affordable. This hairspray is super effective, so if you want to grow your hair or repair your damaged hair, do not sleep on this DIY recipe. Alright, so this is cinnamon sticks. You can also use the cinnamon powder. You are going to get the same result. Cinnamon is a powerful natural ingredient that can help you grow your hair. Before telling you all about it, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to use about 2 cinnamon sticks for this DIY recipe. Cinnamon can stimulate blood flow to your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. When added to your hair care routine, cinnamon stick or this cinnamon hair spray can help cleanse your scalp, make your scalp area healthy so it can give way to new healthy hair growth. Cinnamon hairspray has also been known to prevent hair breakages, hair loss, and hair fall. So if you are someone suffering from hair loss, hair shedding, do not sleep on this recipe. Aside that, it smells amazing. So leaving this in your hair wouldn't bother you. But I'm still going to show you the best way to use this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you're watching to the end. So I added about 4 cups of water to my cinnamon sticks. There are no specific measurement when it comes to this. Just throw in some cinnamon sticks or cinnamon powder, then top it up with water. Allow it to boil for about 10 minutes. Alright, so after 10 minutes, this is the color we are looking for. This is beautiful and it smells amazing. So allow it to cool down, then after that, it is time to strain it. It is very important you do a good job when it comes to straining it so you do not leave any of those tiny particles in the hairspray. You don't want them stuck in your hair. Right now, our cinnamon hairspray is all ready. That is so easy and simple to prepare, right? But there are a few things you can add to this recipe to even make it work much more faster. But hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So when you have extra cinnamon hairspray left, you can keep it in the refrigerator for about 7 to 10 days. Whenever you are ready to use it, you can warm it up and spray it in your hair. I'm going to add some castor oil. Just reading on the bottle, you know that castor oil can help condition your hair. You need some kind of oil to this recipe because it is just water based. And as you all know, when you put water in your hair, it dries up faster. Castor oil is a thicker oil which I love because it helps condition your hair. But feel free to use any oil of your choice. It can be olive oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil. Just add a few drops, about half a tablespoon or 1 tablespoon, depending on the quantity that you are making. So once you have that going, you can also add any essential oil of your choice. This is my pack of essential oils. This very one is cinnamon essential oil. It is only right to add this essential oil to it since we are making the cinnamon hairspray. I also have rosemary essential oil. I'm going to add a few drops of these essential oils to this DIY recipe. This will even maximize the benefit of this hairspray and help it work on your scalp and on your hair strands much faster. If you don't have any of these essential oils, don't even worry about it. These natural ingredients, which is the cinnamon hairspray, will do a whole lot of great job on your hair. But if you have any other essential oil aside these two, you can use them as well. Once you add it, give it a good shake, then your DIY hairspray is all ready. Apply this at least 5 times a week on your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it in. You don't even have to rinse it out. It smells amazing. Always follow with a hair moisturizer so it can keep your hair moisturized for a long time. Let me know in the comment section below if this DIY hairspray is something you would love to try. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.